So we're going to use this script to generate the audio, to generate the photos, pretty much make the entire thing. So what you're going to do is go to Google Docs. So once you're here, you need to come up with a script. This script is going to be around whatever product you chose. So let's say you're doing this one, right? We need to somehow sell this. So what I highly recommend doing is going to this page, Stellar Health. These guys killed it. We're talking like 19 million views, 12 million views. This is a really solid one. Another one is Best Healthy Habits, and just kind of study what they're doing, right? Look at their most popular videos, see what they're like. And the one thing that I've noticed is at the start, here's how your life would change, right? That's one of the hooks. The next hook, Health Secrets. This one actually sucked. That didn't get many views, right? Notice how when they directly called him out and hit something emotionally right at the start, this is how your life would change forever if you ate this rare, potent fungi. You know, it's making you interested. So this is the hook that I came up with. You feel lost in your life. Maybe a relationship went south or your job just isn't the same anymore. It's calling something out emotionally. It's going deep into them. Going deep into their like emotions and their heart and just their personal feelings, right? You feel lost in your life. It's going to directly call out a lot of people. You're saying you're calling them out, and then I'm relating to them in some way by saying, hey, maybe a relationship went south. Maybe they're like, yo, actually, yeah, that did just happen. I'm going to keep watching this video. Or your job just isn't the same anymore, right? Maybe they're going to be like, yo, actually, my job ain't the same. I want to watch this. The hook, I always recommend you do this yourself. This is like probably the only piece of actual work you need to really do.